I am Laura Hunter with Moms on Call, and today we'll be demonstrating a couple of burping techniques. Burping typically takes 1 to 2 minutes, and if they don't burp right away, it is okay. Some babies burp more than others, and many breastfed babies don't burp at all. Let me show you a couple of my favorites. I like sitting on the lap, and I put my hand underneath their jaw, kind of have that spine in a C position, pat from the bottom up, and massage on either side of that spine. My other favorite is putting them over the shoulder. Make sure you have a burp cloth. Put that baby up over your shoulder, and again, pat from the bottom up. So these are just a couple of my favorites. And remember, they'll sometimes spit up when they burp. Make sure you have that burp cloth close by.